How to turn on or turn off Customize calendar app on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Then in here, tap on Bixby. After that, go down and in here, tap on customization service. This will open up customize apps. Now go down and then tap on calendar. Tap on the calendar toggle button to turn off or switch on calendar customization service. And here's the get sticker recommendations when adding events. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that is how you can turn on or turn off customized calendar app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.